Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I thought I'd unbox the brand new Glossybox. And just to prove I have not yet seen what's inside, it is fully sealed up. And here she is. So this month we have the classic pink Glossybox. And let's open her up and have a look at what's inside. Also, I'm going to try and do this quite quickly, so don't worry, this won't be a super long video. Ooh, this is a good box. Okay, I'm gonna start with, I don't know, something that I'm really interested in. So the first thing that we have is by e.l.f. And this is part of their skincare sun care range. This has an SPF of 30. It's a full size product. And let's give it a swatch. So it looks like it's got a bit of a tint. And I think it does leave a bit of a cast on my skin. So I don't know if this would be good for slightly darker skin tones, but it feels good and I am looking forward to using that. So that is the first item. And then next up we have a body lotion. This is by Anatomicals and it's mango and papaya. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells good. Do you know what it's giving? It's giving 90s Body Shop vibes. I like that. It's good. Ooh. And then next up, this is actually two products. This is by Wild Science and it is a shampoo and conditioner. Both are in a 40ml size, which is quite a nice, generous travel size. And I've tried Wild Science products before, but I don't think I've tried their shampoo and conditioner, so I'll give it a go. And a shampoo and conditioner is always very handy. And then this is the final item. And this is actually an eyeliner by Dahlia Cosmetics. It's a brown shade. You know I love an eyeliner. And I really love this brand, so I'm really excited about this. I still think my favourite product might be the e.l.f., but this is amazing too. Anyway, that is my entire box. We have a shampoo, a conditioner, an SPF, an eyeliner, and a body lotion. I think it's a good glossy box. It's so worth the money. But what do you think? Let me know. Also, I'm just going to quickly mention, I got dressed this morning. I did not look in the mirror and I realised I've got a lot going on here. So there we go. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.